Struggling to find the perfect circular saw for your projects? Whether you're a DIY beginner or a seasoned woodworker, this video showcases the best circular saws on the market. We'll compare power, precision, and features to help you pick the right tool for every cut. Don't forget to check the description box below for links to the latest models and deals. So let's dive in.
The MAKITA 5000 7mg circular saw combines strength, precision, and lightweight design, weighing just 10.6 pounds thanks to magnesium components. Its 15 amps motor spins up to 5,800 RPM, powering through wood with ease. The saw offers a bevel range up to 56 degrees with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees and a cutting depth of 2.5 inches at 90 degrees. Two built-in LED lights improve visibility, while the dust blower keeps the cutting line clear. An ergonomic handle ensures comfort during long sessions, and it comes equipped with a premium 7¼ inches framing blade featuring MAKITA's advanced tooth design, making it ready for demanding projects. Durable, precise, and user-friendly, this saw is built to handle tough job site work efficiently.
The DEWALT DWE-575 circular saw delivers a powerful yet portable cutting solution, weighing just 8.8 pounds for easy handling. Its 15 amps motor provides the strength to cut through tough materials with consistency. The saw offers a bevel capacity of up to 57 degrees, with positive stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees, making precise angled cuts simple.
With a depth of cut of 2 9/16 inches, it can handle a wide range of materials. The high-grade aluminum base ensures smooth, accurate cuts while keeping the tool durable. Safety and efficiency are built in, featuring an anti-snag lower guard, onboard blade wrench storage, and an integrated dust blower to keep the line visible. Backed by DEWALT's warranty, this saw combines reliability, performance, and convenience for professional and DIY users alike.
Looking for serious power in a cordless circular saw? The MILWAUKEE 273020 M18 Fuel delivers performance that rivals corded models. Its power-state brushless motor is built for faster cuts, longer runtime, and extended tool life, making it a strong choice for demanding jobs. The magnesium blade guards and shoe add durability without adding bulk, so it stays easy to handle all day.
RedLink Plus Intelligence helps manage power and protect the saw from overload during tough cuts. With a blade speed of 5,000 RPM, built-in LED light for better visibility, and a handy rafter hook, it's designed for efficiency on the job site. An M18 XC 5.0 battery is recommended for maximum performance.
If you need a dependable, lightweight circular saw for precise cuts, the BLACK+DECKER BDECS 300C 7.25 inches model is a solid choice. Its 13 amps motor delivers consistent power for straight, rip, and bevel cuts. A built-in laser guide ensures your cut line is always visible, improving accuracy on every pass. This corded saw provides unlimited runtime, while the bevel adjustment up to 45 degrees makes angled cuts effortless.
The spindle lock allows quick, hassle-free blade changes, and the lightweight design reduces user fatigue during extended use. Ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, it comes ready to go with a circular saw blade and wrench, making setup fast and convenient. Last on our list is the CRAFTSMAN CMES 510 circular saw, which delivers powerful performance in a durable, job site-ready design. Its 15 amps motor spins at 5,500 RPM, easily handling fast, aggressive cuts. The 7 1/4 inches saw comes with an 18-tooth carbide-tipped blade capable of cutting through 2x materials up to 2 1/8 inches thick. Its beveling shoe tilts up to 55 degrees, with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees for precise angled cuts. Built with a magnesium shoe and metal upper and lower guards, the saw is both strong and lightweight. Added conveniences include a metal rafter hook for storage, a spindle lock for quick blade swaps, and a contoured overmolded handle for comfort during extended use, making it a reliable choice for both pros and DIYers.
That wraps up our roundup of the best circular saws to make your woodworking and DIY projects easier and more precise. Whether you're looking for a lightweight beginner model or a high-powered pro saw, there's something here for everyone. Check the links in the description box below for the latest prices, full specs, and in-depth reviews. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our tool guides.